Hello.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning, teacher.
So how are you doing today?
Good.
Okay. Jean, are you good?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Good to see you all today. Welcome to class. We are happy to have you here in our class. So let's get started. Did you have time to read the conversation on page 16? Oh, okay, maybe not, no problem. Remember, the last time we stopped at page 15, and today we're going to start at page 16, and we are going to work on the conversation, which is conversation number 2. Let's start the conversation. So before starting the conversation, I want you to take a minute and look at the picture on the right and tell me what you see. What do you see and the picture on the right? Okay, please open your books at page 16, conversation number 2. Look at the picture on the right, and what do you see? Okay, you see, how many people do you see?
Oh, got 2 people.
You see 2 people. They are in a store. They are in a store. Maybe they are buying something. What are they buying? Do you have an idea? What are they buying?
Maybe.
Ils ont acheté rad. Comme eu dit rad.
Clothes.
Good. They're buying clothes. Very good. And one of the people is wearing, you make a lunette. One of the people is wearing sunglasses. Very good. And they
They're smiling.
are smiling. Great job. Jean, great job. Stephen, great job. Bob, great job. So now let's listen to the conversation. Are you ready to listen?
Yes.
So let's get started. Okay, let's go. Listen carefully to the conversation. Then you are going to translate. Let's go.
Unit 3. How much is it? Page 16, Exercise 2, Conversation. It's really pretty. Part A. Listen and practice.
Can I help you?
Yes, thank you. How much are these gloves?
The gray ones? They're $18.
Oh, that's not bad. Do they come in black?
No, sorry, just gray.
Okay. How much is that scarf?
Which one? The blue and orange one?
No, the yellow one.
Let's see. It's $24.95.
It's really pretty.
Okay, so that is the conversation. Do you understand the conversation?
Yes.
Okay, so let's translate. Let's listen one more time and translate the conversation. Let's go.
Unit 3. Pretty. Part A. Listen and practice.
Can I help you?
What does that mean?
Est-ce que caído?
Est-ce que me caído? Qui ça le dit en anglais?
Can I help you?
Good. Can I help you?
Yes, thank you. How much are these gloves?
Yes, thank you. How much are these gloves? Ça veut dire yes, thank you.
Oui, merci.
How much are these gloves?
Combien ça coûte?
Très bien. Combien gants ça a coûté?
Yes, thank you. How much are these gloves?
The gray ones? They're $18.
The gray ones, they are $18. Là, on dit the gray ones. Qui ça ones là remplacé là?
Gloves.
Gloves. C'est comme si on dit the gray ones ou bien the gray gloves. They are $18. Qui ça they là remplacé là on dit they are $18?
Et gloves.
Gloves. Très bien, Jean. Très bien.
That's not bad. Do they come in black?
Est-ce que il y a noir là-dedans?
Très bien. Est-ce qu'il y a un noir là-dedans? Est-ce qu'il y a fini en noir?
They come in black?
No, sorry, just gray.
No, sorry, just gray.
C'est Non, désolé, seulement grillé.
Okay, very good. You did a great job. So thank you. Thank you for your commitment. Thank you for studying. And thank you for your willingness to learn, to go forward, to continue to learn. So that's all for today. So thank you so much. So let's take a break and I will see you when you come back.
Grâce à POH Academy, le savoir est à portée de clic aujourd'hui. Allez sur pohinstitute.com, choisis cours Léa et démarrez études là. POH Academy, le leader de la formation en ligne.